Hello everyone, welcome again to another video of my channel Amar's Health Hub. My name is Amar, I'm a wellness specialist. In this video, I'm gonna share with you an easy and a simple treatment of how to treat and fix your own muscle restriction of your neck. Stiff neck is most commonly caused by a muscle strain or a soft tissue sprain. And this could be by wrong posture or fast movement or a wrong sleeping position. There are other underlying causes of the neck pain, such as herniated disc. However, in this video, I'm going to share with you the treatment which is related to the muscle strain, which are usually can be happened during our daily life. Most of us face the neck issue before. I divided this video into two parts. The first part, I'm gonna cover most of the causes related to the neck pain, especially what is related to the muscle strain. The second part of the video, I'm gonna share with you a few treatments. It will help you to release your muscle stiffness. Not to dive deep about anatomy, however, I'm gonna share with you quickly a brief about the major group of muscle related to this area. First, we have the sternocleidomastoid, the trapezius, and the scapula. All of this group of muscle hold up the neck, as well as cervical area, which is the root of an important nerves. In addition of that, untreated compression in this area can make the pain moves around. The cause of your headache or any numbness in the arm is actually because a compression in the cervical area or the muscles group around this part as well. I have a referral video related to the scapula nod. I will keep the link of the video in the description below. Now we're gonna start with the treatment. The first treatment, I want you to use your index and middle finger and to place it or around the trapezius area here. You press it firmly, and while you press it, I want you to move your neck to the right side. Hold it for 5 seconds, and then I want you to move it, your face to the left side, also holding for 5 seconds. You keep doing this while you are breathing. You can do this for 3 to 5 times. The area which is having more the pain or more restriction, you're gonna feel a little bit uncomfortable feeling. That's why, like for example, if I have the pain around the right side, while I am pushing in this area, when I look to the right side, I will feel a little bit discomfort pain. But don't worry, this pain actually is because of lengthening about this muscle. So it will be very helpful. The second treatment, we gonna look to any side we want. We're gonna use our palm to have a resistance. We're gonna inhale, hold, and then try to push against our palm using 30 to 40% of a force while we are holding our breath. Push. After 5 seconds, we're gonna release. And then we're gonna exhale. So, we will explain it again. I'm gonna look to one side, using my palm, hold, take a breath, push with my face against my palm 30 to 40% of a force, and then release, and you can exhale. We can do this also the other side, the same. Hold, take a breath in, push against your palm 30 to 40% of a force, and then exhale. You can do this also for 3 to 5 times. After that, you're gonna take 20 seconds for post-isometric relaxation. For the third treatment, we can do similar to the second treatment, but in another position. We're gonna hold our neck like this and slowly push. Also to push against our hand, also using 30 to 40% of a force while holding our breath, and then release. When you release, you exhale. We're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna hold our neck, hold your breath, push against your hand, 30% of a force, and then release. The most importantly, you monitor your breath. Do this slowly. Take your time. And also you do this from 3 to 5 times. After that, you take 20 seconds of a rest for post-isometric relaxation. Also, as a supporting treatment, you can use your own medical cream or balm, as well as keep your muscle always warm. Any cold draft can have a muscle spasm. I hope you like the video. Please like and share it if you find it helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Share if you have any question or anything related to your own experience in the comment section. I wish you a healthy week. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video.